Hello and welcome to Hume How To. We are going to show how to replace your old internal door with a new Hume BiFold. The tools we will need are a tape measure, claw hammer, chisels, a Phillips head screwdriver, combination square, cordless drill bits, a driver bit, spirit level, pincers, a handsaw, builder's rule, a step ladder, packers, assorted screws, assorted nails, a pencil, and your ear, eye and dust protection. The fittings supplied with your Hume standard BiFold system are a spanner, jam bracket and bottom pivot, 2 top pivot blocks, timber knob and screw, assorted screws, head track and trims, and BiFold leads. We will be installing a 2-leaf standard BiFold. For our heavy duty and multi-fold options, go to our website, humedoors.com.au. To get started, remove your existing door. For information on this, refer to Hume How To replace an existing door. Remove the hinges from the jamb. Then, using a hammer and chisel, remove the existing architraves. This will allow access for the removal of the door jamb. Now remove your existing door jamb. We are replacing this with a flat jamb for the installation of your BiFold. BiFolds only require a flat jamb, which can be purchased separately. So measure your opening in multiple places to ensure correct height and width. Using a handsaw, cut the flat jamb. Ensure the flat jamb is slightly smaller than the opening. This will enable the frame to be packed square. Now with your cordless drill, pre-drill the pilot holes. Now insert the screws. Place the flat jamb in the opening and pre-drill your holes. Now pack behind the jamb and fix off using a claw hammer and nails. Then check the jamb is level. More or less packing may be required to set the jamb square. Measure your opening. Do so in multiple places to ensure correct height and width. And then use these measurements when purchasing your new Hume BiFold. Let's mark a centre line for the head track and do the same for the bottom jamb bracket. Ensure they both line up and are centred. Transfer the centre line across your opening. Be sure the track is cut to the correct length. The track should be firm against the pivot jamb. Now fit the head track. Drill the pilot holes, then insert the screws. Next, fit the bottom jamb bracket. Drill your pilot holes and insert the screws. Onto the BiFold. Remove all transport blocks and pins. It's important to seal your BiFold top and bottom, as you won't be able to once installed. Ensure it has a good coating and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Once sealed, fit the bottom pivot. This may require a gentle tap with a hammer. Let's insert both top pivots. Hume standard BiFold sets come pre-drilled for this hardware. For the correct BiFold position, move the bottom jamb bracket by loosening the adjusting screw and set in the correct position. Repeat this operation with the top pivot socket. Follow your manufacturer's instructions. For the height adjustment, turn the nut on the bottom pivot. Fold both leads together and place BiFold in the bottom bracket. Engage the top pivot and place in the top bracket. Now place the top guide pivot in the head track. More adjustments may be required if the BiFold does not sit plumb or at the proper height. Now it's time to fit your architraves. To complete the finish, mark out, cut and fit your trims. Do the top first. Repeat this process for the sides. Ensure they are installed on the opposite side of the hinge. Measure and mark out for the BiFold knob. Refer to your manufacturer's instructions for the correct position. Drill a hole for the handle and then attach the BiFold knob. Now, that's a job well done. With Hume How To, we make it easy.